Now here is a quick video explaining the best way to clean your luxury timepiece. So in this video we're just showing how to clean this ceramic submariner. So the first thing to do is use some lukewarm water. Just rinse the watch off first. Also turn the bezel as it's underwater. Now I would also suggest using a very soft brush. As you can see, this is extremely soft, and then using some soap. Use some nice soap, and then you can brush the watch like this. Just get in between, also in the back of the clasp as well, where a lot of the dirt actually stays. You can actually go quite hard because this brush is so soft. Once the watch is done, just turn the bezel again, and then just use some lukewarm water and rinse off the watch as best as possible. Also move the extension piece up and down as well, just to get in there. Once that's done, you can then dry off the watch with either a clean hand towel or some clean tissue. Now to dry the watch you can use a hairdryer. Here at Perpetual Time we use a special watch dryer, but you can actually use a hairdryer at home. And that is your watch cleaned.